Welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down Milwaukee USA-made tool deals and the best current discounts on Milwaukee M12 and M18 tools. If you care about performance, durability, and long-term value, this full breakdown will help you decide what is actually worth buying and what you should skip. Let's get started. Milwaukee Tool has built one of the strongest reputations in the professional tool industry. Contractors, electricians, plumbers, mechanics, and serious DIYers rely on Milwaukee because of consistent torque output, strong battery performance, and job site durability. The company has also invested in U.S. manufacturing for select hand tools, which is a major factor for buyers who prioritize domestic production. First, let's clarify something important. Not every Milwaukee tool is made in the USA. Many cordless power tools are manufactured globally, although some are assembled in the United States with global components. However, certain Milwaukee hand tools, including select pliers and screwdrivers, are manufactured in the U.S. If domestic production is a priority for you, always check labeling and packaging details before purchasing. Now let's break this into two sections: USA-made hand tools and major cordless tool deals. Starting with Milwaukee USA-made hand tools, Milwaukee screwdriver sets are a strong value when discounted. They feature hardened tips for durability, anti-roll handle designs, and comfortable grip materials that reduce fatigue during extended use. Many models include magnetic tips and precision machine shafts. When you find these bundled in multi-piece sets, the cost per tool drops significantly. For electricians and maintenance technicians, these are dependable long-term additions to your kit. Next are Milwaukee USA-made pliers. These are commonly targeted toward electricians and HVAC professionals. They feature forged steel construction, corrosion-resistant finishes, precision machine jaws, and in some cases reaming heads built directly into the tool. The grip comfort and cutting strength are competitive in the professional tier. When these go on seasonal discount, they often represent one of the better value propositions. In the professional hand tool category, now let's transition to cordless tool deals, which are typically where the largest savings occur. The Milwaukee M12 FUEL 3/8-inch Ratchet Kit remains one of the most popular tools for mechanics and automotive professionals. It is compact, lightweight, and strong enough for tight engine bay work. When bundled with batteries and a charger, it becomes significantly more attractive. If you already own M12 batteries, tool-only deals can provide even better value. The M18 FUEL hammer drill and impact driver combo kit is one of the most common entry points into the M18 ecosystem. This combo typically includes two tools: batteries, charger, and carrying bag. The hammer drill provides strong torque for masonry and heavy drilling, while the impact driver offers high-speed fastening performance. During major promotions, retailers often include bonus batteries, which dramatically increases value. Another strong performer is the M18 FUEL Oscillating multi-tool. This is one of the most versatile tools in the Milwaukee lineup. It handles trim work, drywall modifications, flooring adjustments, and renovation tasks. If you work in remodeling or general contracting, this tool often becomes indispensable. When comparing combo kits versus individual tool purchases, there are two main strategies. If you are starting from scratch and do not own batteries, combo kits usually provide the best cost per tool value. You receive batteries, charger, and multiple tools at a discounted bundled rate. If you already own several batteries, buying tool-only versions during promotions can significantly reduce your total cost. In many cases, experienced contractors build their system by stacking promotions over time rather than buying everything at once. Now let's talk about where to find the best Milwaukee deals. Major retailers such as the Home Depot, Ace Hardware, and Acme Tools frequently run promotional events. The most aggressive promotions typically occur during spring tool events, Father's Day sales, and Black Friday. Buy one, get one promotions and free battery bundles often provide the highest effective discount. A common mistake buyers make is purchasing outside promotional cycles. Milwaukee tools rarely fluctuate randomly. Discounts tend to follow predictable seasonal patterns. Planning purchases around these cycles can save hundreds of dollars over time. Another mistake is ignoring battery platform strategy. Milwaukee primarily operates two major cordless platforms, M12 and M18. M12 is compact and lighter, ideal for service technicians and lighter duty work. M18 is built for heavy-duty construction and higher torque applications. Mixing platforms without planning can increase long-term costs unnecessarily. It is also important to purchase from authorized retailers to ensure warranty coverage. Avoid gray market tools or questionable online listings, as warranty support may be denied. Now let's answer a key question. Is Milwaukee worth the price premium? In the professional tier, Milwaukee competes with other high-performance brands. The premium pricing reflects durability, ecosystem depth, battery performance, and long-term reliability. For homeowners doing occasional projects, M12 tools may offer more than enough power. For contractors and tradespeople working daily, M18 FUEL tools are typically a justifiable investment. If your priority is USA-made hand tools, look for bundled screwdriver and plier sets during seasonal promotions. If your focus is expanding your cordless platform, concentrate on high-value combo kits or promotions that include bonus batteries. The key is not just buying tools, but building a system strategically over time. Milwaukee continues to maintain strong market presence because of consistent product performance and continuous innovation. When purchased at the right promotional window, these tools can provide exceptional long-term value. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more professional tool reviews, deal alerts, and buying strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.